Hi y'all, look at all of this ribbon, and I have a big old box next to me. I am making, let me find them, I've made two. I am making these. I'm making some to have in my stash and maybe one or two for the current journal that I'm in. So they are all kinds of laces and ribbons. This one will need to be flat ironed, and then use the little ribbon thing. And here's the second one I made. This one's a little longer, and they can be little dangles in there. They can be cut and used if someone wants to use them, you know, on their page when they're journaling. So this is what they are. They have this big size, this little size, and a bunch of sizes in between. This is the one that I used already, was that size. It depends on the size of your ribbon for what size you're going to use. All different sizes. Look at it. These little ones are so cute, aren't they? These are ribbon something. I don't know what they're called. Yeah, there's nothing on here. I got them on Amazon a couple of years ago, and I haven't used them. So I want to use them now. I am making this the year that I use my stuff because I have got a lot of it. So I have a lot of ribbons here to make something in pink. I don't know if you can see. You can see a little bit. Look at all that. So we're going to make a pretty pink one, but my journal is a blue with a brown. Not quite this bright, but I need, maybe I can cut this down. Cut some of this down, maybe. Nice big crochet piece. Yeah, that's perfect. That would be cute like that. But do we want one more? I feel like there should be 3. Do we want a little bit of gold? We have gold in this journal. Isn't this beautiful ribbon? Cut it down the middle too. Oh, it's making a mess. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well. We're going to use the big one for this. And you want everything up at the top. You want to make sure you get it all. See, I don't have this back one in there. Hold that. Look, my pliers are in here. You think I would have those ready to go. And you just squeeze down. And there you go. Looky there. And you can cut that to any size. Hopefully these stop falling off of it. Isn't that pretty? And so easy to make. And we're going to figure out where in this journal it can go. And I should have done a gold one. I was not thinking. See, I have a little gold in here. Yeah, wasn't thinking. See, that would be pretty. So yeah, let's make a pink one since we have all this pink. I like to make them long because then the person can use, I love this, pieces of it as their, you know, journaling, because some people, they do collage for their journaling. That's pretty. And look at this one. I don't know that I'll put all these together, but they are pretty. And I want to use them. Look at this one. Most of these are from Hobby Lobby when they were on clearance. Like this was $1.24. Alright, we got tape on the end of that. Yeah, that's pretty. I think these two will look pretty together. Maybe to put that there. That has a wire in it that we could take out. We don't need to leave it in there. See, it's so simple. Take it out. There we go. We got both wires out. Now I can work with it. And we're going to use a big one again because we're using wider ribbon. There, isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Oh, that looks good, right? What else do we want? I have burlap, but burlap's not going to go with that. I don't know what else. I don't know if I like that gold on there. That gold might not go. Look at this. Very pretty ribbon. And I got rid of so much ribbon when we moved. What if we run that down there? Won't that be pretty? Do we want to do a different color? We'll do silver. I think silver will look good with that sparkly ribbon. Isn't that pretty? And there's so much of it that can be used. what do we want to do with this? That gold is not going to get used anywhere. No. I don't want this. I wish this was a little wider, but yeah, I can see using that. Let me look a little more. Got a white one with stars, but it's really small. What's this? Oh, that's cool. That's pretty neat. Wonder if we can use this. Okay, get out of here. That's cool. Let's use this. I guess that's how it is. Oh, we had beads fall off. Let's see if we can get a grip on that. Come on. Darn it. There. Alright, get this gold one out of here. We're not using that. We got some flyaway beads. Stick them in my little container. So there we go. Those are so pretty and so easy to make. And I'm glad that I am finally, I thought I had another one, finally using up this box of this stuff. I will try to find this on Amazon, but just look up ribbon holders and I'm sure a ribbon something, I'm sure you'll be able to find them. There we go. I think I have plenty for now. I really like those pink ones. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.